Google's Gary Illies answers the question about which status code is less harmful. Google's Gary Illies answered a question about which is less worse to use: millions of 404 error pages or 301 redirects. Gary's answer cleared the air about how to think about each status code. Status codes. Gary uses the phrase status codes to refer to the 404 and 301 responses. They are both responses by a server to a request for a web page that was made by a browser or bot. When a browser goes to a web page, what it's doing is requesting a web page from the server. The server responds to the browser request with a message communicating the status of that request. That's why Gary called the 301 and 404 codes status codes. Because they are responses from the server to the browser, they're also called response codes. But technically, they are status codes, because the creators of the HTML standards, the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, refers to them as status codes. Error pages, error codes. The question that was asked referred to 404 error pages, likely because they are commonly referred to as 404 errors. But the pages themselves are not in error. What's happening is that the request for missing web pages cannot be fulfilled. There is an error in that the page is not found. But the server only responds with a status code, 404, page not found. The common use of the word error to refer to the 404 has led to the mistaken belief that 404 responses are bad. But that's incorrect. The 404 response is neither bad nor good. It's just a response that the page is not found. How to choose between 301 and 404 response code. Gary also said that the individual publisher needs to choose what works best for them. Web pages go missing for a variety of reasons. If the page is missing because two sites were merged, a publisher can 301 redirect old or outdated pages to the new pages that are similar in topic. But if the pages have no similar topic match, then those pages can become 404 responses, saying that the page is absent. One can use a 410 status code to indicate the removal is permanent, but Google essentially treats the 404 and 410 almost the same. In the end, when in doubt, think about what works best for the user. For example, if you are merging a site that's about topic K into a bigger site that's about topic A, Z, then it may make sense to do a one-to-one redirect to pages in the bigger site that are about topic D. The rest of the pages that don't have a one-to-one match can be redirected to the main category page for topic D in the bigger site. Or as Gary said, you need to decide what's better for your scenario.